Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andy Zhang. I'm from Chicago Mandarin Chinese Center. Today I'm going to show you the written form of a very useful Chinese character. Now let's get started. The character we're about to learn today has two different pronunciations, hao or hao. This character is composed of 6 writing strokes. Stroke number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When it is pronounced at the third tone, hao, it is used as an adjective, which means good, well, or nice. When it is pronounced as a fourth tone, it is used as a verb, which means to laugh of doing something. So grammatically, hao can be used as a predicate or an object. Hao is listed as one of the most frequently used Chinese characters in the beginner level 1 program of the Chinese Proficiency Test, or HSK. The writing stroke order of hao is indicated as follows. The character hao is identified from oracle bone inscriptions, which are dated back to Shang Dynasty in Chinese history. The original shape of the character hao looks like this. Now let's take a detailed look of this oracle bone script. This script is composed of 2 parts, so it is a left and a right structure. The left part is actually a child, and the right part is a woman kneeling down. So this character has 2 implications in ancient China. 1, a mother was taking care of her child. 2, a mother was holding her newborn baby. So the meaning is that a mother taking care of her child is a good mother, or a newborn baby represents the start of a good life. This is how the character hao was formulated over 3,000 years ago. In late Shang Dynasty, a new form of a written script emerged, and those scripts were inscribed on the surface of the various bronze utensils, which are called bronze inscription. As of today, a total number of 3,722 of such unique scripts were discovered, in which the character hao was also identified. Now let's take a detailed look of the bronze script hao. It's quite similar with oracle bone script hao, isn't it? It is also composed of 2 different parts. This time, the left part is a woman kneeling down and the right part is a baby. So the implications are exactly the same as those of oracle bone inscription. You can see the implications of the bronze script and the oracle bone script are the same, and the only difference is that the woman and the child are located differently. After the oracle bone script and the bronze script, the written form of the character hao has gone through a few changes throughout the Chinese history. Large seal script from 771 BC to 221 BC. Small seal script from 221 BC to 8 AD. Clerical script, which was from warring states to Qing Dynasty of the Chinese history. Semi-cursive handwriting script from 220 AD to 907 AD. This written form is called the regular script, and it was originated in Chao Wei dynasty in Chinese history, and this shows what the character looks like today and how it is written stroke by stroke. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and click the subscribe button here below. I will upload such types of video on a regular basis, and you will get a notice when a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.